Hello there. Today I'm going to talk about something that makes me quite excited, and it's what makes me such a Microsoft fanboy. Don't get me wrong, I like Linux. It's a wonderful operating system. You couldn't buy one just as nice for twice the price, but they group policy is one of the things that makes me quite excited and is my bread and butter. And it allows me to have control over my Windows machine more than you can imagine. It's crazy. I'm going to show it off by pulling up Windows Update, and it's available on server. It's available on Windows XP Pro. It's available on Vista Business and Ultimate, and Windows 7, when it comes out, it'll probably be the same thing, Ultimate and Business, although it hasn't been released yet. This is a release candidate that I'm working on right now. But you can see right now that I'm able to change settings on Windows Update. It updates every day at 3 a.m. We're going to modify that setting so it can't be changed. Because what group policy is, and specifically this is local group policy, it allows me to idiot-proof the box. So if there's a setting on your computer at work that you're unable to change, this is probably why. So I clicked MMC in the start search box. You can type it into the run box if you're on Windows XP, but I want to open up my MMC. And it looks like it's taking a minute to come up. Pulled up two of them. There we go. Alright, so MMC is a way of building your own custom control center like applets. Let me move this little bar over. So I want to do a File, Add or Remove Snap-in. And we're going to do Group Policy Object Editor and Add. And then I can browse either to this computer or to another computer. And then this tab was introduced with Windows Vista, and I was quite excited when I saw this too. But it allows me to set group policy objects on individual users. Administrator is a user, which is currently disabled. Technological is the user I'm logged in as right now. I can set it for administrators or non-administrators. If I had other users, they'd show up here too. But cancel. We're just going to do local computer, because Windows Update's a system-wide thing, so I don't have to specify it by user. But if I have one person that's tearing up the machine, then I can set the group policy object just on that one guy. So finish and OK. There we go. So here's a local group policy, computer configuration, admin templates, Windows components, and I'm going to scroll down to Windows Update. Let me move this back over so you can see it. I'm going to configure automatic update, so I just click there and it should pull up a new window. There we go. So it is currently not configured, but I wish to enable it. XP used to show you dependencies and things that depended on this. Oh no, I'm thinking of services. I'm sorry, I'm getting confused. So I want to enable automatic updates, and we'll say notify for download and notify for install. We'll do auto download, auto install, and schedule the install every day at 10 a.m. So then if I click apply and OK, suddenly it shows automatic updates is configured. Now on XP, sometimes when you do this, you have to click start, run, and CMD. We're going to run as administrator. Yes. And we'll type in GP update /force. So that'll force a group policy update. User policy update it. Computer policy update it. Good. So now let me go back to Windows Update here and change settings. And suddenly now I can't click anything anymore. It's just tough luck. It says that some settings are managed by your system administrator. If I want to have more information, then it'll tell me some information, but it won't let me change it until I go back to group policy and change it. So if you've got one person that's really messing up your machine, you can do all kind of crazy stuff with either the local or the domain group policy. For example, let's find one. Oh, backup. That's a good one. So, backup client. This is turn off. So apparently there's no automatic backup. But I can prevent users from backing up stuff. Backing up the computer. There's a biometrics. To allow the use of biometrics, I can use that. ActiveX. I can choose which sites get to run ActiveX. Internet Explorer. On Internet Explorer, I can force. This guy's running Windows Internet Explorer 8, so I can force your accelerators to be turned off. I can deploy default accelerators. Non-default accelerators. Corporate settings. I'm not really sure what that is, but there's tons of things that I can do here, such as I can turn off whole tabs on Internet options. I can I don't know, empty temporary Internet files when the browser's closed. I can force your wallpaper to be a certain thing by going to user configuration, admin templates, Windows components, and it's got to be a desktop option in here. Look at this, all settings. So force enable the screensaver, prevent from changing the mouse pointer.